Next question. X square minus 12x plus 33 is equal to 0. Then what is the value of x minus 4 whole power 4 plus 1 by x minus 4 whole power 4? So to solve this question, I want to consider x minus 4 is equal to a. Let x minus 4 is equal to a. If x minus 4 is equal to a, x is nothing but a plus 4. Then substitute x is equal to a minus 4 in this equation. X is nothing but a plus 4 whole square. This is the given condition. Plus 12 into a plus 4 plus 33 is equal to 0. So this is a square plus 8a plus 16 minus 12a minus 48 plus 33 is equal to 0. So this can be written as a square 8a minus 12a minus 4a 16 plus 33 49 minus 48 plus 1 is equal to 0. See this carefully. A square minus 4a plus 1 is equal to 0. Divide by a plus 1 by a is equal to 4. A plus 1 by a is equal to 4. What is a? A is nothing but x minus 4. Therefore, x minus 4 plus 1 by x minus 4 is equal to 4. So this is converted like this. X minus 4 plus 1 by x minus 4 is equal to, consider this as p. What is x minus 4 whole square plus 1 by x minus 4 whole square, which is equal to p square minus 2. 16 minus 2, which is equal to 14. Again square. X minus 4 whole power 4 plus 1 by x minus 4 whole power 4 is equal to 14 square minus 2. 194. 196 minus 2, 194. So answer is 194. Okay, so answer is 194. First find this one, then use a plus 1 by a is p, a square plus 1 by a square is equal to p square minus 2 formula. If this type of questions given, first consider like this. Substitute in this given condition, we can get this type of condition. After that, simplifying gives the answer. Okay, next question. If root x plus 1 by root x is root 19, then this is nothing but root x whole cube. This is 1 by root x whole cube. Root x plus 1 by root x is equal to root 19. Then root x whole cube plus 1 by root x whole cube is equal to, consider this as p. X plus 1 by x is p. X cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to p cube minus 3p. P cube 19 root 19 minus 3 into root 19. Okay, taking root 19 common, 19 minus 3, 16. So answer is 16 root 19. The answer is 16 root 19. Next question. If x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 167, then what is x cube plus 1 by x cube? Simple question given in mains 2016. X square plus 1 by x square is given as 167. I want to add 2 on both sides. Then this is x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 169. X plus 1 by x is equal to plus or minus 13. Positive answers, I want to consider this as 13. If x plus 1 by x is equal to p, consider this as p. What is x cube plus 1 by x cube? So this is a p cube minus 3p formula. 13 cube minus 3 into 13. See, units places are different in options. 13 cube, 3 cube, 27 units place. 3 3 is 9 units place. So 17 minus 9, 8. Units place is 8. Only one option is having 8 in units place. Just consider units place. You can get the answer for this question. Okay. See the next question. a plus b by root ab is equal to 4. This can be written as a by root ab plus b by root ab is equal to 4. This is nothing but root of a by b plus root of b by a is equal to 4. This is in the form of x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. Okay, if x plus 1 by x is 4, then x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 4 cube minus 3 into 4. What is x? X is nothing but root a by b whole cube plus root of b by a whole cube is equal to 4 cube minus 3 into 4. 64 minus 12, 52 is the answer. If root is written as 1 by 2, we get this can be written as a by b whole power 3 by 2 plus b by a whole power 3 by 2 is root. The answer is 52. Next question. X minus 1 by x is 3, then what is 2x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 13x square minus 3x plus 2? See the question carefully. 2x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 13x square minus 3x plus 2 by 3x power 4 plus 3. In the denominator, I want to take 3x square common. We get x square plus 1 by x square. In the numerator, I want to take x square common. X square common. We get 2x square plus 3x plus 13 minus 3 by x plus 2 by x square. X square gets cancelled, and this can be written as, write 2 common here, x square plus 1 by x square plus 3 common, x minus 1 by x plus 13 by 3 into x square plus 1 by x square. This is the given question. If x minus 1 by x is 3 given, then what is x square plus 1 by x square? If x minus 1 by x is equal to p, or given as 3, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 9 plus 2, p square plus 2, which is equal to 11. So substitute this in the given question. So this is equal to 2 into 11 plus 3 into 3 plus 13 by 3 into x square plus 1 by x square is 11. So what we get here? This is 3 into 11, 9 plus 13, 22 plus 22, 44, 11 4's cancel. So answer is 4 by 3. The answer is 4 by 3. Next one. If x plus 1 by x is 5, what is x plus 3 whole cube plus 1 by x plus 3 whole cube? Already this model is solved. First consider x plus 3 as a, so x is equal to a minus 3. X is equal to a minus 3. Substitute in this. A minus 3 whole square plus a minus 3 is equal to 5. A square minus 6a plus 9 plus a minus 3 is equal to 5. A square minus 5a, 9 minus 3, 6 minus 5 plus 1 is equal to 0. Then divide by a, we get a plus 1 by a is equal to 5. Where a is, what is a? X plus 3. So x plus 3 plus 1 by x plus 3 is equal to 5. Consider this as p. If x plus 1 by x is p, then what is x plus 3 whole cube plus 1 by x plus 3 whole cube? This is nothing but p square minus 3p, p cube minus 3p, where p cube is 125 minus 3p, 3 into 5, 15. So answer is 110. Okay, so answer is 110. Listen once again. Consider x plus 3 as a, x is equal to a minus 3. Substitute in the given condition, we get this one. Divide by a minus 5 plus 1 by a is equal to 5, where a is x plus 3. If you know x plus 3 plus 1 by x plus 3, finding x plus 3 whole cube plus 1 by x plus 3 whole cube is very easy. Okay, next one. If x minus a into x minus b is 1, where a minus b plus 5 is equal to 0, then what is x minus a whole cube minus 1 by x minus a whole cube? See here, I want to use these two conditions. First, a minus b plus 5 is equal to 0. I want to write this as x minus a minus x minus b, okay, is equal to 5. Here x cancel, minus a plus b is nothing but 5. So you can write like this, x minus a minus x minus b is equal to 5. And here from this condition, x minus b is nothing but 1 by x minus a. So x minus a minus 1 by x minus a is equal to 5. Okay. Then what is x minus a whole cube minus 1 by x minus a whole cube? Consider this as p. P cube plus 3p, p cube plus 3p. This is 125 plus 15. So answer is 140. Once again listen the condition. A minus b plus 5 is equal to 0 is given. Okay. Then write this equation as just by writing x minus a minus x minus b is equal to 5. Okay, actually this can be written as b minus a is equal to 5, and this can be written as x minus a minus of x minus b. Here x cancel, you get b minus a is equal to 5. From this condition, product of these two is 1, therefore x minus b is equal to 1 by x minus a. So therefore x minus a minus 1 by x minus a is equal to 5, then a cube by x cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to p cube plus 3p formula. The answer is 140. Answer is 140. Next question. Here x plus 1 by x not equal to 0, x cube plus 1 by x cube is 0, then x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. Here, very important thing in this question is x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 0 if and only if x plus 1 by x is equal to plus or minus root 3. The condition already given. If x plus 1 by x is plus or minus root 3, then x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to p cube minus 3p formula. If this is p cube minus 3p, p cube is 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3, which is equal to 0. Okay. So therefore, if x plus x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 0 given, then what is x plus 1 by x is nothing but plus or minus root 3. So if it is plus or minus root 3, x plus 1 by x whole power 4 is equal to how much? Which is equal to plus or minus root 3 whole power 4. So this is nothing but 3 square, which is equal to 9. The answer is 9 for this question. You have to know this condition, please. If x plus 1 by x is equal to root 3, I have given x power 6 is also minus 1, please. If x power 6 is minus 1, divide by x cube is equal to minus 1 by x cube, or x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 0. Okay, so if x plus 1 by x cube is equal to 0, then x plus 1 by x is plus or minus root 3. Next one. If x power 1000 plus 1 by x power 1000 is equal to 5. I want to consider x power 1000 as a. So that means a plus 1 by a is equal to 5 given. The question is, what is a power 5 minus 1 by a power 5? This is the question. If a plus 1 by a is 5 given, then what is a power 5 minus 1 by a power 5? So for this, first I want to find a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to a plus 1 by a whole square minus 4. A plus 1 by a already 5, 5 square 25, 25 minus 4 is equal to 21. Therefore, a minus 1 by a is root 21. So to get this, first I want to find, what is a square plus 1 by a square. A square plus 1 by a square, if this is p, a square plus 1 by a square is equal to p square plus 2. P square plus 2, p square is 21 plus 2, which is equal to 23. And similarly, what is a cube minus 1 by a cube if it is p? A minus 1 by a is p. What is a cube minus 1 by a cube? P cube plus 3p. P cube 21 root 21 plus 3 into p root 21, which is equal to 24 root 21. This is a cube minus 1 by a cube. Okay. See this one and this one. If we multiply these two, what happens? I want to multiply a square plus 1 by a square into a cube minus 1 by a cube is equal to 23 into 24 root 21. Then a square into a cube is a power 5. A square into minus 1 by a cube is minus 1 by a. This into this is a. This into this is minus 1 by a power 5 is equal to 23 into 24 root 21. Already a minus 1 by a is also a minus 1 by a is root 21. So therefore, a power 5 minus 1 by a power 5 is equal to 23 into 24 root 21 plus, if this is transferred, we get minus root 21. By taking root 21 common, 23 into 24 minus 1. Here see the options. Root 21 is common. Units place is 3/4 12 and this is 1. 2 minus 1 1. So units place is 1 in the remainder. So the answer is 551 root 21. So units place here 23 into 24, not necessary to multiply. Find the units place here 2 minus 1. Units place is 1 for rational part. So units place is 1. Here this is 6, this is 0, this is 8, this is 1. So answer is the first option. Okay. Next question. If x plus 1 by x is 4, then x power 7 minus 1 by x power 7 is equal to how much? It's a very big question. See the options. Okay. Time taking questions. But based on units places, I want to eliminate some options. Here the given question is x plus 1 by x is 4, then what is x minus 1 by x whole square? X plus 1 by x whole square minus 4 into x into 1 by x. A minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Here x plus 1 by x is 4 square 16 minus 4 12. So x minus 1 by x is equal to root 12, okay, which is equal to 2 root 3, which is equal to 2 root 3. This is p. Okay. To find x power 7 minus 1 by x power 7, first I want to find x square plus 1 by x square is equal to p square plus 2. P square 2 root 3 whole square plus 2, which is equal to, this is 4 3 is 12 plus 2 14. X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is equal to, consider again this as p, 14 square. If x square plus 1 by x square is p, x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is equal to p square minus 2. 14 square minus 2, 196 minus 2, 194. Okay. Similarly, I want to find x cube minus 1 by x cube also. If x minus 1 by x is p, x cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to p cube plus 3p. P cube 2 root 3 whole cube plus 3p, 3 into 2 root 3. Okay. This is nothing but 2 cube is 8, 8 3 is 24 root 3 plus 6 root 3, totally 30 root 3. This is x cube minus 1 by x cube. Then after finding this, I want to multiply x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 and x cube minus 1 by x cube. If you multiply these two, what happens? X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 multiplied by x cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to, this is 194 into 30 root 3. Then what we get here? X power 4 into x power 3 is x power 7. This into this minus x. 1 by x power 4 into this one is plus 1 by x. This into this minus 1 by x power 7 is equal to, product is, total product is 0, 3 4s 12, 3 9s 27 plus 1, 28, 5 root 3. Here this is by taking minus common, see this carefully. Therefore x minus 7 by 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 5820 root 3. Transfer this, we get x minus 1 by x. Here x minus 1 by x is 2 root 3. Okay, so this is nothing but plus 2 root 3. If you add these two, 5822 root 3. So answer is 5822 root 3. Okay. So to find x power 7 minus 1 by x power 7, you have to find first x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 and x cube minus 1 by x cube. Then multiply these two, we get x power 7 minus 1 by x power 7. Okay, next one. If x square minus 3x plus 1 is 0, then what is x power 9? The question is a very big question. X power 9, this is 1 by x power 9 plus x power 7 plus 1 by x power 7. So you have to find both and add. Then what is the answer? So the given condition is x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. This can be written as x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. X plus 1 by x is equal to 3. Then what is x square plus 1 by x square? Consider this as p. Then this is nothing but p square minus 2, which is equal to 7. Okay. Then what is x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4? Again 7 square minus 2. 7 square minus 2, which is equal to 49 minus 2, 47. So x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 known. Similarly, what is x cube plus 1 by x cube? What is x cube plus 1 by x cube? If x plus 1 by x is 3, x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to p cube minus 3p. P cube 27 minus 3p 9, which is equal to 18. Consider this as x and this as 1 by x. X plus 1 by x is p. Then what is x power 9 plus 1 by x power 9? P cube 18 cube minus 3 into 18. Okay, I don't want to solve. I want to substitute directly here. So x power 9 plus 1 by x power 9 plus x power 7 plus 1 by x power 7 can be written as x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 into x cube plus 1 by x cube minus of x plus 1 by x. X power 7 plus 1 by x plus 1 by plus x plus 1 by x power 7. So if you subtract x plus 1 by x, we get directly x power 7 plus 1 by x power 7. So here x power 9 plus 1 by x power 9 value is 18 cube minus 3 into 18 plus x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is 47 into x cube plus 1 by x cube is 18 minus x plus 1 by x is 3. Okay. Then what is the units place? 8 cube units place is 2. 8 3 units place is 4 plus 7 into 8 units place is 6 minus 3. Okay, then what we get here? 6 plus 2 8 minus 4 minus 3 7, 8 minus 7 1. 1 is the units place, so answer is 6 6 2 1. The answer is 6 6 2 1. To find x power 7 plus 1 by x power 7, we have to find x cube plus 1 by x cube multiplied by x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 minus of x plus 1 by x. Okay, already this is solved in the previous question. Okay, so answer is units place is 1, so only one option is having 1. If two options are there, is a difficult question. Okay, solving you by using digital sum or any other method, we can get the answer. Okay, right, next question please. If x square minus 4x plus 1 is 0, a very good question, then what is x power 9 minus x power plus x power 7 minus 194 x power 5 minus 194 x cube? So very good question. Here x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. This can be written as x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. If this is x plus 1 by x is equal to 4, consider this as p, then what is x square plus 1 by x square? P square minus 2, 4 square minus 2, 16 minus 2, 14. Similarly, consider this as x plus 1 by x. X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is equal to again 14 square minus 2, which is equal to 194. So if x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is 194. Then simplify here, this is simplified, we get x power 8 plus 1 by x power 4 is equal to 194. Okay. So cross multiply x power 8 plus 1 is equal to 194 x power 4. x power 8 minus 194 x power 4 is equal to minus 1. I want to use this. X power 8 minus 194 x power 4 is equal to minus 1. Then see the question. In this question, from these two, I want to take x common. So x power 9 minus 194 x power 5 plus x power 7 minus 194 x cube. This is the question. I want to write this as, by taking x common, x power 8 minus 194 x power 4. From these two, take 1 by x common, we get x power 8 minus 194 x power 4. But this value is nothing but minus 1. This is minus 1. This is also minus 1. By taking minus common, we get x plus 1 by x. But what is x plus 1 by x? 4. So answer is minus 4. Answer is minus 4. Okay. A very good question. Once again, see, write this as x plus 1 by x 4. Find x square plus 1 by x square. Similarly, x power 4 plus 1 by x square, x power 4. Simplify this. X power 8 plus 1 by x power 4 is 194 here. Then x power 4 plus 1 is equal to 194 x power 4. Transfer to the left side. We get the value as minus 1. Then consider the question. By taking x common from these two and 1 by x common from these two, we get the answer. Okay. Next question, please. This is also a good question. X cube minus 1 by x cube is the root of x square minus 4 into k square minus 1. Then what is x square minus 1 by x square? Generally, the students solve this question by taking k as some 0, 1 like that. But not necessary. It's a very simple question. X cube minus 1 by x cube is given as root of k square minus 4 into k square minus 1. This is a given condition. See here, if x minus 1 by x is p, what is x cube minus 1 by x cube? Is nothing but p cube minus 3p. If x minus 1 by x is p, then x cube minus 1 by x cube is p cube minus 3p. By taking p common, we get this is nothing but p square minus 3. See this carefully and compare with this. This is p. This is nothing but p square minus 3. So if p is equal to root of k square minus 4, then what is p square? P square minus 3 is nothing but k square minus 4, k square minus 4, sorry, p cube plus 3p, p cube plus 3p plus 3. This is nothing but k square minus 1, satisfied. If x minus 1 by x is p, x cube minus 1 by x cube is p cube plus 3p, please. P into p square plus 3. If p is this, p square plus 3 is nothing but k square minus 1. So from this we can say that, x minus 1 by x is equal to root of k square minus 4. Okay. If x minus 1 by x is given, then what is x plus 1 by x? Then what is x plus 1 by x? Listen here. X plus 1 by x whole square is equal to x minus 1 by x whole square plus 4. This is nothing but k square minus 4 plus 4 cancel, we get k square. So x plus 1 by x is equal to plus or minus k. Here I want to consider only plus k. Then multiply these two. What we get? X plus 1 by x multiplied by x minus 1 by x gives x square minus 1 by x square. So answer is root of k square minus 4 into k into root of k square minus 4. Okay, even first option is also same, k into root of k square minus 4. Okay, both options are right. Next question. If x minus 1 by x is 1, what is the value of this? If x minus 1 by x minus 1 by x is equal to 1, then what is the value of this one? Here the question, I want to write the question as 1 by x minus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 minus 1 by x square minus 1. First I want to simplify these two. This is nothing but LCM is x square minus 1, x plus 1 minus x minus 1. So this is nothing but x cancel 2 by x square minus 1. I want to write this one next, minus 1 by x square minus 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1. Okay, just add this right here. 2 by x square minus 1 minus 1 by x square minus 1 is nothing but 1 by x square minus 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1. If you add this one, the LCM is x power 4 minus 1, x power 4 minus 1. Numerator is x power x square plus 1 plus x square minus 1. These two gets cancelled. Okay, then what we get here? 2x square by x power 4 minus 1. Divide numerator and denominator by x square total by x square. This is nothing but 2 by x square minus 1 by x square. X square minus 1 by x square. So that is the question. So first, if x minus 1 by x is 1, what is x plus 1 by x? What is x plus 1 by x? X plus 1 by x whole square is equal to x minus 1 by x whole square plus 4. This is 1 plus 4, which is equal to 5. So x plus 1 by x is equal to plus or minus root 5. Okay, then see the question. The question can be written as, this can be written as 2 by x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. So 2 by x plus 1 by x is root 5. This is 1. So plus or minus root 5 into 1. So answer is 2 by root 5. The answer is 2 by root 5. Next one. If m plus 1 by m minus 3 is equal to 5. Here I want to write this equation as just by writing minus 3 here. So m minus 3 plus 1 by m minus 3 is equal to 2. This is in the form of x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, what I have given? This implies x is equal to 1 is the conclusion. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, then x is equal to 1. That means m minus 3 is equal to 1. Okay? If you put m minus 3 is equal to 1, this is 1. 1 power 8 plus 1 by 1 power 8. The answer is 2 for this. So answer is 2. Okay? Simple question. Next one. This is also a good question. If a plus 1 by a minus 4 is equal to 6, I want to write this equation as a minus 4 plus 1 by a minus 4 is equal to 6 minus 4. So a minus 4 plus 1 by a minus 4 is equal to 2, same as the previous question. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 2 implies x is equal to 1. Therefore a minus 4 is equal to 1. If a minus 4 is equal to 1, a is equal to 5. Put a is equal to 5 in the given condition. A minus 3, 5 minus 3 whole power 7 plus 1 by 5 minus 7 whole cube. This is 2 power 7, 128 plus 1 by minus 2 whole cube is minus 1 by 8. So simplify this, 127, 7 by 8 is the answer for this question. 127, 7 by 8. 1 minus 1 by 8 is 7 by 8. Just 1 subtracted, 127. Okay, next question. See this question. X plus y plus 1 by x plus 1 by y is 0. Then what is x plus 1 by x, and given x plus 1 by x into y plus 1 by is minus 4. What is x power y plus y power x? Here I want to solve this question in two ways. By substitution we get the answer easily. Just by taking x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1, this condition and this condition both are satisfied. X minus y, this is 0, this is 0, 0 satisfied. X plus 1 by x is 2, y plus 1 by is minus 2, plus 2 into minus 2 satisfied. Then what is the answer for this question? X power y, 1 power minus 1 plus minus 1 power 1. This is 1 power minus 1 power anything is 1. Minus 1 power odd 1 is minus 1. So answer is 0 for this question. So just by suitable substitution we get the answer. I want to solve this question by direct method also. Listen carefully. Here x plus 1 by x plus y plus 1 by y is equal to 0. So therefore y plus 1 by y is equal to minus of x plus 1 by x. Then substitute this condition in the given this condition. This can be written as x plus 1 by x into, in the place of y plus 1 by y, minus of x plus 1 by x, okay, minus of x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 4. Here minus minus cancel. X plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 4. So therefore x plus 1 by x is equal to either plus 2 or minus 2. X plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 4. Therefore x plus 1 by x is plus or minus 2. Here if x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, then x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to, here x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, then what is correspondingly y? If x is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 by 1. If x plus 1 by x is 2, then y plus 1 by y is equal to minus 2. So from this, if x is 1, this implies if y plus 1 by y is minus 2, y is equal to minus 1. Or if x plus 1 by x is minus 2, then y plus 1 by y is plus 2. So both are reversed. Therefore, this can be written as x power y plus y power x is equal to 1 power minus 1 plus minus 1 power 1. So answer is 0. Okay, this is a direct method of getting the answer. Okay, next one. If x by y plus y by x is equal to 1, what is x cube plus y cube? Here I want to give one important condition. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 1 condition given, then x cube is equal to minus 1. Already I have given this one. Or this can also be written like this: x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0 given. In this case also x square is equal to minus 1. In both cases x cube is equal to minus 1. This can be written as x square plus 1 minus x is equal to 0. Second is, if x minus 1 by x is equal, x plus 1 by x is minus 1 implies x cube is equal to 1. This can also be written as x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. In these cases, in these two cases, x cube is equal to 1. Actually, x cube is equal to 1. Then the roots of this are 1 comma omega square, cube roots of unity. The roots are 1 comma omega square, where omega is minus 1 plus root 3 I by 2 minus 1 minus root 3 I by 2 comma 1. If it is having only imaginary roots, then these are the roots of this equation. So if this equation is given, it is having only imaginary roots, these are the roots. If x cube is equal to 1 given, we have 3 roots, because this is a third degree polynomial equation. So these are very important formulae to solve this question. See here, if x by y plus y by x is equal to 1, this is in the form of x plus 1 by x, a plus 1 by a is equal to 1 implies a cube is equal to minus 1, where a is x by y whole cube is equal to minus 1, x cube is equal to minus y cube, so x cube plus y cube is equal to 0. So answer for this question is 0. If this condition given or this condition given, okay, x cube is equal to minus 1. If these two conditions given, x cube is equal to plus 1. Next question. If x plus 1 by x is 1, then what is 1 plus x square into 1 minus x square? Same model question. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 1 given, the conclusion is, x cube is equal to minus 1. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 1 given, then x cube is equal to minus 1. I want to use this condition. To solve this question. Here this can also be written as x square plus 1 is equal to x. X square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then what is the question? The question is 1 plus x square multiplied by 1 minus x square. Okay. Then here, what is 1 plus x square? 1 plus x square is equal to x. So this value is x plus x. 1 plus x square is x. Already one more x into. The second part is, this can be written as, in the place of 1, I want to write 1 is equal to x minus x square. 1 is equal to x minus x square. Substitute here, x minus x square minus x square. Okay. Then these two gets cancelled. This is 2x into this is minus 2x square, which is equal to minus 4x cube. But what is x cube here? Minus 1. So answer is minus 4 into minus 1. Answer is 4. Okay. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 1, then x cube is equal to minus 1. I want to use this condition to solve this question. Okay, next one. If x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, just I have told, if x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, then we say that x cube is equal to 1. This is nothing but x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 1. Then x cube is equal to 1. Then what is the question? X power 2018 plus x power 2019 is equal to how much? This can be written as x cube whole power the first part is 3 6 are 18, 21, 3 7 are 21, 3 2 6 plus this is x cube power 3 6 are 18, 21, 3 7 are 3 3s. Put x cube is equal to 1. 1 power anything is 1, nothing but x square. This is 1. What is 1 plus x square here? Minus x. So the answer is minus x. Okay. So this is about the questions. Some questions related to algebraic identities. We can discuss some more questions also, some more tough questions also later. Thank you very much.